Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to link your Square account to Kabbage. Now, Square is a popular POS for small businesses. Linking it to Kabbage will help to provide accurate real-time income data. So here's how to do it. Step 1, open the Kabbage dashboard. Now you want to go to kabbage.com and log into your account, and then head to integrations and select Square. Step 2, sign into Square. Now you can use your business Square credentials to log into Square on Kabbage. Step 3, authorize permissions. Now you got to grant Kabbage permission to view and synchronize transaction data. So go ahead and grant that permission. And step 4, confirm business information. Now you can ensure Square account is registered as a business profile. You want to make sure that Square is definitely registered as a business profile. And once that's done, move on to step 5, which is to finish the synchronization. Now your Kabbage dashboard will now reflect income and transaction patterns from Square. Now this integration helps Kabbage to tailor funding to your sales performance. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next one.